Welcome! Let's just dive right into a seriously mind-blowing statistic from Anthropic's recent crackdown.
Boom, 1.45 million. That is how many user accounts Anthropic just completely wiped out.
And get this massive purge happened in just 6 months, wrapping up in December 2025.
So you gotta wonder, right? What exactly triggered this absolute avalanche of platform bans?
Well, September policy shifts kicked it off, but a crazy November AI cyber espionage incident really escalated things.
The biggest culprit? Abnormal IP behavior. That alone drove a whopping 45% of closures.
People constantly fell into sneaky traps, using shared VPNs, data center IPs, or leaking DNS.
Plus, they track browser fingerprints, so mismatched time zones or languages will instantly get you flagged.
And sharing accounts? Massive red flag. One group literally got their shared account banned in under a week.
The rest of the bans came from severe content violations, identity forgery, and crazy high-frequency script automation.
Claude also completely blocks several high-risk regions using multi-layer detection. Basic VPNs definitely won't cut it anymore.
Caught up in all this? 52,000 super frustrated users actually filed appeals to get access back.
But get this, only 1,700 were overturned. That is a brutally low success rate, honestly.
If you do appeal, it's a strict 4-step grind. Evidence collection, appeal letter, submission, and follow-up.
So with all this strict enforcement, how on earth are developers safely accessing these tools today?
Basically, folks are choosing between two reliable options right now: direct native subscriptions or API routing. Native accounts give you exclusive control on clean residential IPs. They're totally perfect for Claude Code.
Meanwhile, API routing entirely bypasses account risks, totally ignores your fingerprint, and offers pay-as-you-go billing.
Whatever path you choose, always use a fixed IP and perfectly match that system time zone.
It really leaves us wondering, how do we actually balance global AI accessibility with essential platform security?